So the angle between VC and the plane, which is going to be the line from M to C, so it's this angle here, theta, that I'm trying to find. So I'm working in the triangle VMC. What do I know? Not a lot. So I know this is 7 centimetres and I want to find this angle. Can I find M to C? Well, if we look at this triangle on the bottom, MDC, I know it's 18 centimetres along the bottom, and M's this midpoint, so that must be 5. So I can work out M to C by using Pythagoras. That's what MC squared is, so opposite squaring is square root. Doesn't make any difference. So I now know that MC is the square root of 349. Then I can use trigonometry. Start at the angle, go to the opposite side. Start at the right angle, go to the hypotenuse, and the spare side is adjacent. I've got O and A, which is TOA. So I'm going to do shift tan of O divided by A. Which is 20.5410. If I want to do 3 significant figures, I just stop at the 5. Right, we're going to start with some factorising. So let's just look at the 2x plus 12. I can write that as 2 brackets x plus 6. The other denominator, x squared minus 2x minus 48, I can write as 2 brackets. Minus minus means it's plus minus in the bracket. I need to make 48, so 48 is 1 times 48, 2 24s, 3 16s, 4 12s, 6 8s, and of those 6 and 8 I can get a 2 from, so it's positive 6, negative 8. Oh look, I've got the same bracket. So now let's go back to what I had, 3 over 2 brackets x plus 6, subtract x minus 15 over x plus 6, x subtract 8. I need to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this side by 2, and I'm going to multiply this fraction top and bottom by x minus 8. And then they're both the same on the bottom. So I get 3 x subtract 8 minus 2 x subtract 15 over the pair of brackets. Let's expand the top. I get 3x subtract 24 subtract 2x plus 30. 3x subtract 2x is x, minus 24 and 30 is plus 6. And oh look, there's x plus 6 again, so that will cancel. and I get left with 1 over 2 x subtract 8. Third term is a plus 3 minus 1 times d is 19. 3 take 1 is 2, so it's a plus 2d equals 19. The sum of 10 terms is at the front of the formula book, and it's 10 over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, and that's going to equal 290. So 10 over 2 is 5, 2a plus 10 subtract 1 is 9. Expand the bracket and I get 10a plus 45d equals 290. I've got a pair of simultaneous equations here. If I times the top one by 10, I get 10a plus 20d equals 190. Then I can subtract them. 45d subtract 20d is 25d. 290 subtract 190 is 100. Opposite multiply by 25 is divide by 25. So d equals 4. If I know d is 4, then a plus 2 4s is 8 is 19. And a must therefore, opposite of add 8, subtract 8 is 11. I want the 10th term, which is a plus 10 minus 1 times d. A I now know is 11. 10 minus 1 is 9. D I know is 4. So the 10th term is 47.